Since March 25th, non-essential travel is restricted and many businesses are closed. Well, now Governor Holcomb is giving them a deadline on suggestions they would make so they can safely reopen. Fox 59's Brett Cash shows us the governor's plan and what President Trump is advising tonight.
Today, the president outlined his plan to reopen the American economy, saying the worst is behind us.
Based on the latest data, our team of experts now agrees that we can begin the next front in our war.
The plan will happen in phases on a state or county basis after states see steady progress in symptoms, cases, and hospital resources.
In order to even consider getting into the phasing, you have to pass a hurdle.
The first phase would start after 2 weeks of a decrease in cases and would still promote telework and limit non-essential travel. But it would resume elective surgeries and allow places like gyms or sit-down dining to reopen if they follow strict distancing guidelines.
No matter what phase you're in, there are certain fundamental things that we've done that are not like it was in September and October.
The second phase starts after another 14-day decrease and would allow for schools to reopen along with bars at a limited capacity. Then after another 14 days, the third phase would open all businesses and allow visits to senior homes, but still encourage Americans to limit time spent in crowded places.
It won't go from 0 to 100, or it won't be like flipping on a light switch.
As for when this could start in Indiana, Governor Holcomb didn't give a date, but said it's coming soon.
I'm not putting a May 1 date out there, or May 2, or May 7, or May 8, but we are thinking early May.
Governor Holcomb, along with the governors of Michigan, Illinois, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Ohio, and Kentucky, are working together as a region, hoping to hit the ground running come May.
But in the meantime, underneath the surface of the water, there's a lot of work that's happening.
Brett Cass, Fox 59 News.
Governor Holcomb said he has reached out to every industry in Indiana, asking them for their suggestions and their plans to safely reopen. He expects some of those responses by next week.